Hi guys, Petrus Verwees here from Buurpens TV. I'm back here at Strandloper Braai area. Andre van der Mescht from Dual Eco Power has given us an opportunity for me to make a video about the possible breach of St. Lucia Estuary tonight, this afternoon or tonight. At the public boat launch at the jetty. And there we can see how much the water level has risen in the last 2.5 days. Basically 28 hours. This is looking good. The last time it was this, I was in 2007 after the mouth opened up. But it was quite a bit higher. The sandbags was closed up, but it was many years since the water came behind these sandbags. So there's a great improvement in the water level here next to the ski boat club. Sadly, that chased the flamingos away. Thank you, Andre. We'll have a look at your products just now. But let us see what sparked this big hype. The wind pushing still hard on the coast, and some more rain expected during the night of the 15th of November. Hopefully we can get that rain because we need more water pressure in the estuary. This is the run up to the Mfolozi River, and we can see it's nice and flooded. Cars are turning around, so they're not passing on the river itself. This is the low water bridge at the Riverview. I made the video here yesterday. I'll cut into the video that I made here yesterday, the day before yesterday, on the 13th. And it's pretty much clogged up like this. Now this is the stuff that we need in the St. Lucia estuary to scour the mud, to get rid of the mud. The Mfolozi River, it is 30 November 2019. Sadly, Vryheid is not producing water for us, it's producing brown sludge, mud, sticky, suffocating mud. And the water levels on the western shores is rising nicely, the pans are filling up. This is a very, very positive sign. And this is the lovely jetty at Shorters Creek. And some weekends it produces grunter. And some weekends it only produces barber. Yes, the cell phone video camera can pick up exactly what I'm talking about when I talk about clean water. Clean rainwater that fell onto the water surface of the lake system. That's what we want. Clean rainwater. Just look at this. Pure, clean rainwater. Just look at this clean water. It's amazing. There's some Egyptian geese. Won't pick it up on this phone, and there's some potavipos. And the tranquility is just amazing. I can't video it with the cell phone, but I can see that this clean water goes as far as my eye can see. Stretches well into the middle of Catalina Bay. Only if we had some ocean water in here when this rain fell, it would have been so perfect. So perfect. Sadly, this pan and this loop hasn't risen much with the rain yet. Probably will with all the saturation around it. some beautiful willow neck stalks to the left. Loads of LBJs flying up there. Not LBJs, weavers. Bird life here is exponentially great. Pardet upset with that. How did I? But it's gone now. Everything is lined up for a breach, guys. The water level is extremely high. I'll stop at the jetty and check how high. But now I'm going to take a walk along the beach and see where is the breach going to take place. If it does happen. There we go. We're going for the 1.2 meter mark, which is excellent. The water is actually streaming from the estuary into this marsh here on the boardwalk. You can actually hear it running in as the marsh is filling up. This is good news. This is extremely good news. Dual Eco Power with Andre van der Mescht. Solar solutions and gas installations. Get your gas geyser today and save on your Eskom power. Cut on your electricity bill with solar energy and become good friends with Greta Thunberg. Andre will help you to get quotes, do professional installations that carries a certificate of compliance. Dual Eco Power operates in the Heidelberg area and right, we've got a natural causeway here. This looks so good. This looks promising. I'm not even going to look further. I'm going to exploit this piece here. This is what I'm talking about. It looks like if this water is gathering uphill. Even if we walk here, we can feel it's becoming slushy. Absolutely fabulous. It's a bit of a rise there to the ocean. The waves pounding away here. Right behind me is what I would call ground zero.